Breakfast time, it all begins when we eat these yummy things. I dine here by my bowl or dish. All these things are so delish. Midday meal has come and gone. I sit here now all alone. I stare down to an empty tray. Why must my life be this way? Dinner time, I will not pass. Nummy things are here at last. I've waited oh so patiently. Fill my plate, oh pretty please. Smoky chicken, oh so tasty. Served with style, not so hasty. Beefy balls for empty tummy. Gobble down, it's oh so yummy. Gravy powder, tasty liver. Squishy chunkies, giblet slivers. Don't forget the veggie platter. Heavy greens do really matter. Nothing says you love me more than serving me meals galore. When food fills up this empty space, you'll see love shine on my face. Don't neglect some water too. Food must be washed down on cue. We need something to ease this feast. All these things I try to eat. When I'm full, it's time to rest. This latest meal was the best. Now come and cuddle this cutie. Snuggle time for you and me. Tomorrow will be as tasty.